Good morning, everyone. My name is Sarah Shelton Yawn, and I'm the Instructional Services Librarian here at ABAC. We did have a few questions submitted, so let's go ahead and start looking at those real quick. So it looks like our first question is there a full list of all the different types of resources that can be checked out at the ABAC library? It's a very good question. We don't have a comprehensive list of all the items that can be checked out here, but we do have a way that you can search by topic or subject and see the different types of resources we have on that topic or subject. So I'm going to show y'all how to do that real quick. So let's go ahead and go to the ABAC website right here. If you don't know how to get to that, you can get there by going on the homepage to Academics, Useful Resources, and then down to Library right there, and it'll take you here. Once you are on our website, what you'll do, you will go under Connect to Resources, and you can look under GILfind. So let's just use the topic or subject dogs, for example, and try this. So we're just going to hit that little magnifying glass and see what happens. As you can tell, we're getting a lot of different results, over 2,000 to be exact, actually 2,351. But if we wanted to look at a better way to see the different types of formats that you were receiving in that result list, what you can do is go over here under Format, click on where it says Show More, Format over here on the left side of the screen. Okay, so you do see the different options that are available for resources that touch on the topic of dog or dogs. So you have books, videos, conference proceedings, journals, microfiche, audio, book series, and websites. So if we wanted to look at, say, a journal article, you could click on that. If you wanted to look at a video, you could click on that and it would just give you results for videos. So this is one way that you can look at the different types of resources that we do offer in the library. So that is the answer to that question. Let's see what our next question is. Can faculty and staff check out items like students can? Very good question. Faculty and staff members do have access to the same items as students. Most of the same rules apply to them regarding usage, but they can vary depending on what the resource is. In addition to that, all faculty and staff members, all they need to have to check out an item is either their gold card or another 918 number, and they can check out items at the front desk. So if you ever have a question about a resource, you want to know how long you have access to it, or if you're just looking for something in particular and you're really not finding what you're looking for, feel free to reach out. We'll be happy to help you any way that we can. That's what we're here for. So let's look at question number 3 now. Does the ABAC library have audiobooks? If so, how are they accessed? We kind of looked at this a little bit a moment ago, but we're going to look at 2 different ways to view these, not view, but listen to these audio books. So before I get started, just want to let y'all know we do not have any actual physical audiobooks inside Baldwin Library. There might be some at Bainbridge, but we do not actually have any housed in the Baldwin Library here in Tifton. But if you want to see what is accessible in Bainbridge and what we do have access to online, you can do that. So what we're going to do, we're going to go back to where we just were in GILfind, and you will click on Audio. So 2 items have popped up. Let's just look at this second one. So this is an audiobook. It's entitled Until Tuesday, A Wounded Warrior and the Golden Retriever Who Saved Him. It's by Luis Carlos Montalvan with Brett Witter. So this is a CD. This is available at the Bainbridge Library. So you would have to get this item sent to you through interlibrary loan. So that is one way you can access physical audiobook collections. And if you wanted to request the item, you would just have to sign into your library account with your username and your password, which is your whole entire email address and your password for your MyABAC. And then you would have to request it and have it sent here. Very easy process. If you need extra help doing that, feel free to email me and I'll be happy to help you with that as well. Another way you can access audiobooks is through Galileo. This is through a more just an online way of looking at them. Or not looking at them, but listening to them. So what you'll do, we are going to go back to that ABAC library page under Connected Resources, and we are now going to go to Galileo Database Search. So, and we'll do the same thing. We'll just type in dogs and hit search. Okay, so this is a very similar format to what you just saw in GillFind, but what we're going to do, we'll go to the left side of the screen over here where it says limit by type. You hit that show more option. It's going to give you all these different types of resources that all connect to dog or dogs. So you have everything from news to magazines to academic journals, ebooks, books, all kinds of stuff. And just to make this easier, I'm going to put this in alphabetical order just because I'm a librarian and I like order. So let's go ahead and put that in alphabetical order. So by doing that, you'll see audiobooks, or not audiobooks, but just audio in general. That's a second option right here, or second type of resource. It'll also tell you how many you have access to here as well. So let's go ahead and hit update. So as you can tell, there are a lot of audio options for dogs or a dog on Galileo. So if you ever wanted to listen to something, you do have that option on here as well. You should be able to click on it and it should read it out loud to you. So you do have that option. So let's see. Our next question. Is there still access to JSTOR? If so, how is that accessed? Good question. So what we're going to do is go back to where we were. We're going to go back to that Galileo homepage we were just on. And we are going to go to all databases. So you have two different ways you can do this. You can either type in JSTOR in the search bar, or you can go under the J's. So since we know what we're looking for, I'm just going to type it into the search bar. So we have JSTOR. And all ABAC faculty members, staff members, students do have access to this through Galileo. But after I typed it in, that was the first thing that popped up. So there you go. There's JSTOR. Very easy to use, very easy to access. As long as you have access to Galileo, you should be good to go. And we have one more question. How long can you have a book out before Mr. Bookman, the library cop, comes after you? I got the Seinfeld reference. That's pretty good. But books specifically can be checked out for 28 days, and normally they have 2 additional renewals. Depending on if it's a different type of item, say it's a DVD or if it's a item that's on reserve, the checkout periods may vary for that. So it just really depends what type of resource it is. But that's all the questions we have. Thank you so much for joining me and listening to me. And if you ever have any other questions or just need help with something, feel free to reach out to me by stopping by my office. You can send me an email. It's sarah.yon@abac.edu, or you can give me a call. My phone number is 229-391-4994. As I said, if there's anything I can help you with, please let me know. I'm happy to do so. But again, thanks all for listening. Have a great day.